Now this side of the crank is in. I have not pulled it through the cases yet. Pulled through this case yet. But I will, and I'll use my 14-inch wrench and this, and also my 14-inch wrench, 14 millimeter. What I do is I've gotten the screw part onto the end of the crank, and then I put the spacer in, which fits perfectly inside the aluminum case, and then I'll take my shit, I forget what they're even called. Anyway, I'll take that and I'll turn this down and down and down until it pulls the crankshaft right into this case. As soon as that happens, then I take the whole case unit, bring it over here, put it through here, put this whole unit on this side, and continue pulling it through the case. So I've got to do that, take pictures of this, and hopefully the Moto Seal won't dry by the time I get